Hey YouTube, this is Melvin from the Tech Library Project. In this video, we're going to talk about installing the Kwok-Information-Server. Today, we will be installing the Kwok-Information-Server on a fully updated Ubuntu 18.04 VM. We'll need to install Java, Tomcat, and PostgreSQL. Once we've completed the install, we will need to download the Kwok-Information-Server tar file and then decompress it. From the download, we'll need to go into the folder Server Tomcat Web Apps and locate a folder called Kwok. We need to move the Kwok folder and its contents into var-lib tomcat9 web apps. For this install, we'll just be changing the Postgres user password to Postgres. This is not recommended for production. This is just a quick and easy way to get started with the Kwok-Information-Server. Finally, we'll create the Kwok database and reboot the server. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.